Hey friends, it's Tracy. Today I'm sharing just a crafting organization tip that works for me and thought that it would be helpful for someone else. Now, I got a new order of rub-on transfers from Essential Stencil, and I thought that I would share my process. Now, what I use are these 12 by 12 plastic envelopes. I picked this pack up from Hobby Lobby. You can get them individually, or you can get them in a pack of 10. They're in the scrapbooking section of the craft store. And what I do is I take them out of the package and then I fold the back, the cardboard or the card stock insert that comes in it that identifies what rub-on transfer set it is. I fold that at the bottom so that it fits in the pocket, and then I just cut my transfers down to fit into the pocket. And so this just really is very, very helpful because I can visually see what I have, and I was just really struggling to figure out an idea of what I could use for my rub-on transfers. And then I just have them on a shelf, and then I can flip through them and figure out which one I want to use for that project. I hope that this is helpful for someone else.